Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Satomi and today's video is going to be a Hello Kitty mystery snack unboxing. So I am wearing my kitty headband in honor of Hello Kitty. I've got my scissors to cut the box open and cut the packages open, and I have two sizes, 1 quart and 1 gallon Ziploc bags. So when I open the packages and taste the snacks, I will have the Ziploc bag to put them in to keep them fresh, as I'm not going to be eating everything in the bag. And also I'm only going to taste a few of the items, not everything. So here is the box, the Hello Kitty and Friends mystery snack box. How cute is this box? So I purchased my box at Cost Plus World Market. I was actually there shopping for other things and I just saw it there. I was so excited. I wanted to see what snacks they have in this box, and I thought I would do a video because I love Hello Kitty and I know so many other people love Hello Kitty, and I'm sure so many people would be interested if they saw this at Cost Plus. What's in it? Is it worth the price? Now, this box cost $39 at Cost Plus, but they also sell these Hello Kitty mystery snack boxes on Amazon for, I believe it was $34 the last time I checked. So if you don't have a Cost Plus World Market nearby, I will go ahead and leave a link in the description box for the Amazon link for one of these snack boxes. Now, the Hello Kitty box itself might be different and the contents in the box might be different, but it will be a Hello Kitty box and it will have the contents of the Hello Kitty snacks. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the box open. Okay, so here is what the box looks like once you open it. Oh my gosh, look at that. This box is jam-packed. It has so many goodies in here. Okay, so let's dig right into this box. I'm gonna taste some of the snacks, not all of them. I will save the majority of the snacks for my son, but I will taste some in this video just to let you know if it's good or not. The very first snack is this Sunbae cracker. It's very cute. It has the Hello Kitty on the packaging, and it also says that it is a strawberry flavor right up here. Now, I've tasted these crackers many times before, but I've never tasted it in the flavor of strawberry. So let me go ahead and take one out. There's 2 in the package. Now, I don't usually eat in my room and I don't like crumbs, so I'm gonna be very careful here. Look at that. You could see the strawberry frosting on the cracker. It's very good. It tastes kind of like a sweet and salty, savory and salty cracker. It has, this might sound weird, but kind of like a soy sauce flavor in the cracker for the savory, and then the strawberry frosting gives it that sweet flavor. But the best thing about this cracker is the crunch. It is so crunchy. It's very light and flaky. It's a great cracker. And I will save it for later. Okay, the next thing in this package is, looks like candy, Japanese candy. And if I look at the package, it looks like it has some strawberry flavor, maybe some soda, some lemon, and it looks like you dip something into the different flavors. I'm actually not going to be opening this as I'm not in the mood for just raw candy, but If you get packages like this in one of these boxes and you just don't know what it says because everything's written in Japanese, on the back there is a sticker on here that labels it and explains what the ingredients are, what it is. So this is a candy. It gives you what's inside of the candy. So this will at least kind of guide you as to what it is you're eating. Okay, so the next thing we have here is this Hello Kitty biscuits with strawberry cream. So I grew up eating these types of crackers. I've had them in chocolate, vanilla, and in strawberry. My son absolutely loves these crackers, so I'm gonna save it for him. But it's these little long biscuits that you dip into a strawberry cream inside. They're very good and very tasty. Okay, so I'm not sure what this is. This actually has no sticker on it explaining what it is. If I look at it closely, it looks like, I actually have had these before. These are crackers that have frosting on them. So they're like a really sweet candy type biscuit. I'll go ahead and open it and try one of them to show you what they look like. So as you can see, it has like the sugar icing on top. It's a very crunchy little biscuit. I loved these growing up. It is what I thought it is. And my son is gonna love eating the rest of these. Okay, so the next thing in here is this looks like it's a moon pie in the Hello Kitty packaging. Very cute. I'm gonna save this for Cody. It's basically 2 soft biscuit type cookies that have a marshmallow in the middle and a chocolate outside shell. Very delicious, but I'm gonna save that for him. Okay, so the next thing we have in here are, it says Pandora Melon Pandora. I wonder if this is, oh, it's a wheat cracker. Okay, I've never had this, nor have I ever seen it before, so I will go ahead and give it a try. Oh, it's kind of breaking, so I'm gonna go ahead and just let that fall into the bag. Oh, how cute. It's a panda-shaped cookie, and the ear broke inside the bag. Mmm. Interesting. It actually has a melon flavor, kind of like a honeydew / cantaloupe flavor-ish in this cookie. So that is interesting. I've never seen this. I've never tasted it, but it's good. I guess if you like melon dew or honeydew, what's it called? Honeydew or cantaloupe flavor, then you would like that cookie. Okay, so these are, I have seen these before. These are pretty much sugar shaped into a little candy. So all of these little candies, you bite into them and it's just raw sugar. If you've ever tried the rock lollipops, you know, it's like it's a stick and it has all those crystal sugar, like sugar crystals on it. That's basically what this is, just a whole bunch of sugar. So I am not gonna be opening that. Here is another one of the biscuits that you dip into chocolate. The first one I showed you was strawberry. This one is chocolate. So I'm gonna give that to my son. He's gonna love that. Oh, okay, and we have seaweed. So seaweed, we buy our seaweed at Costco. We get a whole bunch of them. This one's just cute because it has the Hello Kitty packaging, but I'm not gonna be opening this. I will snack on it though. Seaweed is a really healthy snack if you want to replace it with chips. The seaweed, this kind of seaweed is actually a really good replacement for chips because it's healthier and I think they taste just as good. They're delicious, they're crunchy. Okay, so we also, let's see, I think there might be another one. We also got 2 Japanese sodas. So this one is, it says Hello Kitty carbonated soft drink. So here's this. I'm not going to be opening these because Cody likes these Japanese sodas, so I'm going to save them for him. And this is a pineapple flavor of the same soda. If you've never had Japanese soda, basically they have this unique way of opening it. There's like a ball, a glass ball inside, and you have to take the top off, push it in, and the ball will fall down in here and it creates the carbonation, the fuzz. I think it's just kind of like a fun gimmicky thing, but they're really cute and I'm gonna save those for Cody. Okay, so the next snack here is potato chips, salted egg yolk flavor. So that is an interesting thought. Egg yolk flavor. I'm not sure how that's gonna taste or if I'm gonna like it, but let's try it. So they look like regular potato chips. Interesting. So they taste like regular potato chips, but there is a unique kind of a flavor, but to me it doesn't taste like egg yolk. It almost tastes like a burnt chip. So I don't know, that's interesting. But if you're in the mood for potato chips, this is, it tastes pretty much like regular potato chips. Unique flavor, little burnt, but there you have it. All right, what is this? Oh, this looks like a chocolate bar. You can see it right here. I will be saving this for Cody because he likes chocolate. And the next thing we have are these chocolate cookies. They are wheat crackers with chocolate inside. I will also be saving these for another time. Okay, we're down to just the last few items. This is, it says cola, and actually, if you can see it right here, it says cola. And they're candy, like a gummy candy. Ooh, that sounds interesting. I'm gonna taste these. I like gummy candies, and so does my son, but I like the cola flavored gummy candies, you know? And he does too. So I'm gonna try one of these and I'm gonna save the rest for him. But this is what they look like. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. They are literally little bottles of cola. Smells just like cola. This is my favorite thing in the box so far. They sell these in a larger bag where you get a whole bunch of gummies, cola gummies. I've always loved them, but I'm happy that they were in the box. Okay, I think we're down to the last, yeah, this is the last snack that's in the box, but there's 5 of them, so they're the same thing, and they are Kit Kats that are different flavors. So this one is Sakura Mochi flavor, so like a cherry blossom mochi flavor Kit Kat. Oh, I think they're all the same flavor. Yeah, they are. Okay, so I love Kit Kats. Kit Kats are actually my favorite candy bar, but I like the original flavor. I'm not a fan of like the white chocolate or all the other flavors they come out with, but I'm sure I'll eat these just the same. Okay, so for this box, let me just share like a mini review. I think that the box itself is absolutely adorable. If you love Hello Kitty, or if you know somebody who loves Hello Kitty, this is just, you know, one of those unique special things that you could get. I like the box, and I will be using the box to store maybe birthday cards or special little things that I get from my family, or maybe I could use it to store other things. It's very sturdy and it's a good quality box. So I will be using that box for storage somewhere in my house. Now, for $39, do I think that the box is worth it? I hate to say this, but not really. I think $40 for these different snacks, if I were to add all of these snacks up, like if I purchased each one of these snacks at an Asian market, I don't think I would be anywhere near $40. So you are paying for the box, you're paying for the novelty of Hello Kitty. However, I do think that for a gift, if you have a daughter who loves Hello Kitty, or you have a best friend or a niece and you know they love Hello Kitty, I think this would be such a cute gift to get them. The box they could reuse for whatever they want, and all the snacks and the goodies, they're kind of fun to eat. They're not the same kind of snacks that you're gonna get at your regular grocery store. So for that reason, as a birthday gift or a Christmas gift for somebody that loves Hello Kitty, I think that this is actually worth the price because it's a unique gift and you're not gonna find it everywhere. But will I repurchase this box? No, I will not. I only need to buy one to know what's inside. I'm sure each box has a variety of different snacks, but this one time was good enough for me. I would purchase this box for friends, or you know, friends' daughters, or people that I know who like Hello Kitty. I would definitely buy the box for them, but I personally will not be repurchasing. Okay, so again, I bought this at Cost Plus World Market, but they are selling these boxes on Amazon. I will leave a link in the description box if you want to purchase it from Amazon and have it shipped to your house. Again, the box might look different and the contents of the box might be different snacks, but it's the same thing. It's, you know, the Hello Kitty mystery snack box with all of the Japanese snacks in there. So if you are a Hello Kitty lover like I am, then hit the like button and let me know in the comments below if you enjoy unboxings like this, just sort of random things that I find to unbox for you. I'd be happy to do that if you're interested. I want to thank you so much for taking the time to click on and watch this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any other videos. You can follow me on Instagram at Satomi Christina. I hope you guys are all doing well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
'Cause you're a boss, baby, boss lady. Ain't no looking back, we walk it off, baby, in charge. Now we